Protect your furniture from spills, stains, pet hair, dirt, scuffs, and scratches. Modernize your look in seconds. Machine washable. Easy installation. Best suited for Parsons chairs 18 wide and 42 tall. Included components, product information guide. Dining rooms are quickly becoming more than just a space to gather and eat. Give your dining room a modern makeover with a SureFit Stretch Royal Diamond Short Dining Room Chair Slipcover. Now available as a 4-pack for an easy and convenient way to refresh your look. Made from blended polyester material that will maintain its shape and contour for a custom-like fit. Best fits dining chairs 20 wide and 42 high, and we recommend measuring before ordering. The dining chair cover is very easy to use and can be installed in seconds. Just slip the chair seat cover over the chairs. The dining chair slip cover features stretchy material to give a snug fit on the chair and provides a clean, sleek look. All-around sewn-in elastic band at the bottom, tightly holding the spandex chair cover in place to avoid shifting. For added comfort, fasten the elastic band in place underneath to keep the cover in place all year round. Chair covers can be used in the dining room, kitchen, bedroom, living room, office, hotel, wedding, meeting, and more. Best suited for Parson chairs, but works with a variety of chair styles. Protect your furniture from spills, stains, pet hair, children, and daily wear and tear. SureFit Home Decor dining chair slipcovers can transform your old chairs to brand new, freshen up your interior decor, and extend the life of the chair to help you save money.